Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on mobile. The easiest way to enjoy this incredible racing game on your phone or tablet is through cloud gaming, specifically Xbox Cloud Gaming. This innovative service streams the full game directly to your device, meaning you don't need a powerful phone to run it. It's a fantastic way to take your racing adventures anywhere you go, transforming your mobile device into a portable Xbox. To get started, you'll need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which unlocks access to the cloud gaming library. A strong, stable internet connection is also crucial. Aim for 5G or a reliable Wi-Fi network to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. While you can use touch controls, a compatible Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox wireless controller, will significantly enhance your experience and precision on the track. First, download the official Xbox app from your mobile device's App Store. Once installed, sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Navigate to the cloud gaming section within the app, find Forza Horizon 5, and simply tap to launch it. The game will stream directly to your screen, allowing you to jump into the action and explore Mexico's vibrant landscapes in no time. For the best experience, consider investing in a phone clip that attaches your device to your controller, creating a more ergonomic and immersive setup. Also, ensure your device is optimized by closing any unnecessary background applications to free up resources. This helps maintain a smooth stream and responsive controls. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you. Happy racing!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.